Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle, and today's video we're going to be unboxing my Sephora Play Box. I also just came home to some packages, so we are going to see what's in this and in this. I think I know what's in the big one, but I'm not 100% positive. So I'm going to start with my Sephora Play. Go ahead and open this for you. Sephora Play is from Sephora, obviously, but it is a monthly subscription box that is $10, and you usually get about 5 samples, I think. So they changed the bags. They give you these plastic bags now. It says, open here to start your next beauty adventure. It used to come in a cloth bag that was really cute, but honestly I didn't use that, and I don't use this one, so I don't really care. It comes with this. The theme is Love Struck Beauty. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's actually 6 things in this box. So the first thing is from Bite Beauty, and I have been getting a few of these in different beauty subscriptions, and I really like it. I like the packaging. It looks like somebody took a bite out of it, which is really cute, and it's kind of like rubbery feeling. So this is the color, and let's try it on. It says, Lip of Your Life, Bite Beauty, a high-impact lipstick in a rich brick red color with a soft, creamy texture. Why it'll give you all the feels. The handcrafted lipstick is the total package. It is infused with nutrients, vitamins, and omega oils that nurture skin while delivering saturated color and weightless coverage. Grab my little mirror here. I don't have anything on my lips right now. Okay, so that's the color. Nothing like starting off my beauty box with a little lipstick action, since I didn't have anything already on my lips. So let me know what you guys think of this color. The next thing is from Clinique. It is Quick Liner for Eyes in Intense Ebony. So that is in this package. I already have eyeliner on, but this is what it looks like. I have used this before, and I do really like it. I prefer gel eyeliner. I do like having eyeliners like these on hand. Bella, no! Bad girl! This is what I'm dealing with. Don't mind me, Bella. I'm just trying to film over here, and you're running on your wheel behind me. Go ahead, run! Come on, let's run! Come on! Go ahead. Sorry guys, before my cat rudely interrupted me. Okay, the next thing that I got is from Lancome. It is Hydra Zen Anti-Stress Gel Moisturizer. So it came in this package. It says an oil-free gel cream that nurtures skin and delivers intense hydration. Why it'll give you all the feels. This lightweight formula reduces dullness and gives skin a healthy radiance. The rose-infused gel delivers 24 hours of hydration. So let's see what this feels like. It does have a pretty strong scent, so if you don't like scents, you probably wouldn't like it. It's almost like a perfumey smell, but it does feel really good on my fingers, so I'm excited to try this. I used to not really like getting skincare, but it was honestly because I was really bad at taking care of my skin. So this year I decided I'm gonna wash my face every night, and I have been, so pretty excited about skincare now. Okay, the next thing I got is from Wander Beauty, and these are the Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. They are a set of gold foil eye masks that brighten and hydrate skin. So these will be super cute, I'm sure. So it says the multitasking eye mask does more than just look super luxurious. The serum hydrates skin and diminishes the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles in the delicate under eye. And this is what they look like, if you can see that. The next thing I got is from Caudalie. I'm not really sure how to say this. This is a super light gel cream that hydrates and calms skin. So I got two like gel moisturizer creams in this box. Why it will give you all the feels. So hopefully I can get through the rest of this video without my cat running on her cat wheel, which is hilarious, and I will show you guys more of that because she really likes it now. But when I'm trying to film and then all of a sudden you hear this big wheel turning in the background, not the right time, Bella. You're about to do it. So that's what I'm dealing with while I'm trying to record, but anyways, I'm just gonna keep going. The last thing that I got is from Cat. I'm just gonna move right here since she wants to steal my show. But the last thing I got is from Kat Von D Sinner and Saint perfume. I have gotten these in a sample before. Come on, right here. Come on, Bella. Come on, Bella. Come on, come on here. If any of you guys have one of these, you'll have to let me know because it is pretty entertaining. We cannot get our Bengal to do it for some reason, but our regular tabby house cat loves it. So all the videos we saw, it was like Bengals and just different exotic breeds running on the wheel. But Bella is showing them all up. Our Bengal's actually terrified of it and she won't go around it. So that's it for my Sephora Play Box. I will put a link down below if you guys just want to click that, and you can sign up if you're interested. But I am going to attempt to film the rest of this video now. One last thing that I forgot to say about the Sephora box is you get 50 Beauty Insider points. So you can either use this in the store or you can use it online. The next thing that I got, a package from Monat. If you guys hear me say that every time I get all of these hair products, I don't use them, it's because I only use this on my hair. It's naturally based, and I've been using it for almost 2 years now. I've had pretty damaged hair, so this is what the box inside the box looks like. I also got this, and then it comes with a little card that tells you about the product of the month that you get when you place a flagship order. Okay, so I got these vitamins. They are the S3. They are for natural hair growth, but they're also just a really good multivitamin, so I take these every day. This is my favorite hairspray. It comes out in a really fine mist, which I'll show you. Doesn't have alcohol in it. You can use it to set your makeup, which I usually do while I'm hairspraying my hair. It has buildable coverage. Smells really good. It doesn't have alcohol in it, so if you see like those videos, or if you've ever tried it yourself where you put out a candle flame or like blow fire with your hairspray, this doesn't do that because it doesn't have alcohol in it. So it says light to medium hold, and it also has Rejuvenate oil in it, so it's good for your hair. And next, this has been the most chaotic video that I've ever tried to film because I'm also making macaroni because I'm here eating lunch before I go back to work and my timers are going off. But the next thing is my favorite dry shampoo. I can't live without this stuff. I actually ran out and I didn't know what I was going to do with my life because I don't have time to wash my hair more than once a week, and this is like the holy grail of dry shampoo. So this is from the new line. It's called Monat Studio One. So it has this pretty packaging. It used to look like a miniature version of this this hairspray bottle. This is hairspray, not shampoo. But this also has our oil in it, so it's good for your hair and your scalp. It also smells really good. It does not have talc in it, so it doesn't leave that white residue on like dark hair. It actually is made with rice starch. So I use this a couple times a week just to get me through. So I've been waiting on this. And I can link that stuff below if you guys are interested. I do sell it, so you can go through my link or you can find somebody else if you want to buy it, but I really love it. So the next thing is this big box, and it's damaged. What the heck? So hopefully whatever's in here is not damaged. Let's see what we got. Got some foam. This looks like something my cats would like to destroy all over my house. And I think this is my ring light. So it comes in a nice bag. I got this off Groupon for around $50. It's only 12 inches instead of 18, but I thought surely that would be big enough. So I know online, like the ones that people normally get are around 100, I think like 118 or 130. And I'm sure they only go up from there, but maybe we can plug this in so you guys can see. And this is a thing for, let's see, I don't know, your phone or your camera or something. And then it also comes with this, which is the stand, I believe. So let's see if I can get this working. First wire's undone. Bella, quit. Get out of there. Don't you know not to put your head in a plastic bag? Didn't your mother teach you anything? Okay. Let's see, where does this plug in? Oh, duh. Okay, so I got it plugged in. There we go. Holy cow, that is bright. So hopefully I can play around with this. It did come with these things that you saw, so I don't really know. Oh, I guess you gotta take the white part off to put these on. But for $50, I'm pretty impressed with it. I think it'll be really good. I also have some like shadow box lights coming. I think I got a set of those for around $40 or $45. So check Groupon. Sometimes they have really good deals on that stuff. So if you're on a budget like me when it comes to this and you're just doing it for fun, I would definitely check that out. Alright guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching my video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Okay, Bella, that's enough. Come over here. Come over here, Bella. Come here, Bella. Von D. It is the Sinner and Saint perfume. Hey, quit it. And then this is the new Bella. Quit it. Get off of it. Quit. Quit. Get away from it. Hey, get out of there. Out of there. Get out. Out, 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 out. Okay, I already have eyeliner. Bella, come on. Alright, that's enough. Get out. Come on. Come get this. Go. Go. I'm busy. Bella, quit. Quit. You deserve the very best. Bella, I'm gonna freaking freak out. Stop it. Not right now.